What's good? It's Deja from Online Success Made Simple. Okay, listen, before we even get started, I need everybody to take a breath and unclench because some of y'all came in here like, Deja, I'm behind. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not techie. Baby, you are exactly who this is for. And let me say this up front. You do not have to be an AI expert to make money with ChatGPT. You just have to be willing to learn one simple system and actually use it. Because the truth is, people are out here overwhelmed. They're trying to build a business, post content, follow up with leads, write emails, create offers, clean up their bio, and they're doing it all with a half-charged phone and a prayer. So when you show up with structure, when you show up with speed, when you show up with clarity, that's not being helpful. That's being valuable. And value gets paid. Now, tonight we're getting into freelancing and consulting with ChatGPT. And I already know what somebody is thinking. Deja, I'm a beginner. Who's going to pay me? Let me answer that. People don't pay you because you're perfect. They pay you because you can solve a problem. And ChatGPT helps you solve problems faster. So you might not know everything, but you can absolutely do things like write captions that don't sound dry, create email sequences that actually sound human, turn somebody's messy ideas into a clean offer, fix their bio so it stops sounding like a job application, create simple SOPs so their business isn't chaos, write customer service responses so they stop arguing in the inbox, build content calendars so they stop posting Happy Monday every week. See? That's money. So tonight, here's what I want. I want you to stop thinking, I need to know everything first. No, you need to know the next step. And by the end of this session, you're going to walk away with 1. A list of services you can offer using ChatGPT. 2. A clear way to position yourself like a consultant. 3. A simple starter offer you can post this week. And yes, we're talking action, not vibes, because I'm not here for you to be inspired for 10 minutes. Then go back to the same cycle. We're here to move. And real quick, before we jump into slide 1, drop in the chat. Hey fam, it's Deja from Online Success Made Simple. Today we're talking about freelancing and consulting with ChatGPT, aka how to turn I'm just learning into I'm getting paid. Because the goal isn't to collect information, the goal is to collect income. Let me say it loud for the people in the back. You can make money helping others use ChatGPT, even as a beginner, because people don't need another app. They need results. And if you can help someone save time, look better online, or sell more, that's a paid skill. Period. All right, here's what we're doing today. 1. We're identifying services you can offer with ChatGPT. 2. How to position yourself like a consultant without sounding weird. And 3. How to build a simple freelance income stream without stressing yourself out or living on your phone. Now listen, you are not selling ChatGPT. You're selling outcomes. You're selling speed. You're selling clarity. ChatGPT is the tool, but you are the one who knows how to get the job done. That's what people pay for. Let's talk services, because the money is in the menu. You can offer content packs, email sequences, captions, blogs, repurposing, business support like SOPs, templates, proposals, customer replies, and consulting. Let me set up your workflow so you stop drowning. See? That's not complicated. That's valuable. Here's where most people mess up. They try to serve everybody. No, ma'am. Pick one lane. Who do you help? What problem do you solve? What outcome do they want? Example, I help coaches get consistent content without burnout. That's clean. That sells. That's it. Now we're packaging this up because vibes don't pay bills. Create 3 tiers: starter, easy, yes; core, your main service; premium, the I'm serious package. People love options, and when you give people structure, it's easier for them to buy. Okay, here's how you talk about what you do without sounding like a robot. Repeat after me. I help who achieve result using AI-powered systems so they can benefit. That's consultant talk. That's I know what I'm doing talk. Even if you're new, you're still offering a solution. Now, this is the fun part. ChatGPT will literally help you build the whole thing. Use prompts like, list freelance services I can offer. Turn this into a clear offer with deliverables and pricing. Write my Fiverr bio. Give me portfolio samples I can create today. You don't need to guess, you need to prompt. Now let's get you paid. 3 simple ways. 1, marketplaces, Fiverr, Upwork. 2, communities, school, Facebook, LinkedIn groups. 3, direct outreach. And direct outreach doesn't mean begging. It means offering a quick win like, I noticed this, I can improve it, want a sample? That's confident. That works. Here's your move today. Pick 1 niche, pick 1 service, write 1 offer description, make 1 sample, post it 1 place, 1, not 12. We're not overwhelming ourselves. We're building momentum. Homework time. Post your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or in your school bio. And bonus points if you message 5 people you already know and say, hey, I'm offering this. Want a free sample? Closed mouths don't get fed, babe. Final thought. AI doesn't replace you. It multiplies you. So this week, I don't want you overthinking. I want you stepping through 1 door because 1 offer posted can change your whole month. All right, if you want help turning this into a real offer, or you want to get inside the community and follow the steps with us, email us, support@onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. Visit onlinesuccessmadesimple.com and join us inside the school.onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. And if you want the exact next step, reply freelance and we'll point you in the right direction. Thank you for showing up seriously, because showing up is the first proof you're not playing with your future. And next week, oh, we're turning it up. Next week's lesson is teaching and coaching with ChatGPT, meaning if you've ever said, I know a lot, I just don't know how to teach it, or I want to coach, but I don't have a curriculum. Baby, ChatGPT is about to help you pull your whole program out your brain. Frameworks, lesson plans, worksheets, prompts, coaching structure, all of it. So don't miss next week. Same place, same energy. It's Deja, and I'll see you inside.